Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, that is 13th January. Apart from the index, we would be taking a look at our stock watch list. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will see on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers above 13,996 levels, and on the weekly time frame, again, market is under control of buyers above 14,474 levels. And today we had a situation in which we had time frame continuity to the upside above 14,474 levels. That is, at that point of price and time, market was under control of buyers on all the time frames, monthly, weekly, as well as the daily time frame. And we had full time frame continuity to the upside. That is, buyers were aggressive in lifting the offers. And if you see the 60-minute time frame, we had an inside 60 candle which broke to the upside, and we basically trended up for the rest of the day. And based on the daily time frame, here you will see that we are in an uptrend in terms of price action. We are making higher lows. And tomorrow, what is likely to happen is above 14,563 levels, we can trade towards 14,590 levels, 14,632 levels, and potentially 14,686 levels. And on the flip side, below 14,484 levels, we can trade towards 14,432 levels, 14,390 levels, and potentially 14,336 levels. And we have a neutral price range of 14,563 to 14,484 levels. And one can refrain from making any trades in between the neutral price range. And based on tomorrow's open, if market trade above the daily open, we'll look for buying opportunity in Nifty. Now we are going to be analyzing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen for tomorrow are all inside candles on the daily time frame, and the stocks are Bata India, PVR, TCS, and Ultra Cement. And in Bata India, we'll look for buying opportunity only above 1659.1 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 1618.1 levels. And our second stock is PVR. Here you will see day before yesterday, yesterday we had an outside candle, today we had an inside candle. So whichever direction it breaks, that direction in that direction market can potentially trend for the stock. So above 14,070 level, we'll look for buying opportunities, and below 14,442.1 level, we look for selling opportunity in PVR. And a third stock is TCS. We'll look for buying opportunity above 3,210.1 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 3,149.9 levels. And a final stock is Ultra Cement. It's again an inside candle, so we'll look for buying opportunity above 5,696 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 5,550.9 levels. And all these stocks are inside candles on the daily time frame. So they just tells us that on the daily time frame, they are under market is balanced. That is, it is under control of both the buyers and the sellers. And whichever direction it breaks, we would be trading in that direction. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow Nifty can trade towards 14,632 level, above 14,563, and below 14,484 we can trade towards 14,390 odd levels. And our stock watch list comprises of inside candles on the daily time frame, Ultra Cements, Bata India, PVR, and TCS. So we would be looking for an entry opportunity in these stocks in whichever direction they break out from today's high-low range, which in tomorrow's context is going to be previous day highs or previous day lows. So whichever way it breaks, we'll look to initiate a position in that direction in these four stocks. And finally, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Do check out our description section of this video. There you can find links to all our recent blog posts. And once again, thank you once again for watching this video, and do subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.